Continuing our event here on Friday, Nathan Phillips Square. Lots of games and competitions are going on. People are playing all type of games and enjoying their day today. You will see everything over there and all type of radios, Chevrolet, Manulife as financial, and skates, snacks over there, and you have also Burger Heroes here to buy lots of food and to enjoy the food today. Then the rest is the gift of Chevrolet. Oh, you have the car, and then we are going more right. The show and Manulife Financial. Is there.